Betsy? Hi, Betsy. Hey. Let's turn on the light just a second.
Look, there's lotion. It's for my backpack. I always wanted one of them. Daddy, I always wanted one of them. This is for my backpack.
Oh.
What's this?
Oh, that's nice.
Mommy,
Oh, you know about Slinkies here?
I have got Santa.
Yeah. You know about Slinkies?
No, I never had them.
Yes, you've had Slinkies, but you haven't had good ones. These are good ones. These are other ones.
And I have piece of paper too. Oh, God. What's this?
Here, let me show you. Let me show you. A little bit like this.
This is what I have.
And then you go like this. Here, like this. I can hold it like this. And you have to hold it on the side like that. Like this.
I got a pen, Mama.
What kind of pin is it?
You there.
You have to show Daddy.
All the way down.
Oh, let me try this.
I think it's a different color pin. No, show Daddy that pin, Lily.
I think there's something else. Oh, look, I got a cupcake Santa Claus.
You do?
And it's an ornament. Daddy, look.
Then you spin it.
Purple.
And then you spin it. And you go like that.
Purple.
Alright, now try.
Mommy, it's purple.
Purple?
Ornament. It's
Oh.
a Santa Claus.
That's a Santa Claus ornament cupcake.
Yeah, it was in my stocking.
It's in your stocking with here.
Oh, what'd you get? Gingerbread? Oh.
Oh boy, that's a lot of wrapping.
What is that, Lily?
Yes.
It's fuzzy.
Yeah, it is fuzzy.
What are you putting it on? Oh, wait, don't go in there yet. Wait just a minute.
It smells glittery.
Just set it down next to you.
Dirty Band-Aids.
Your Band-Aids?
Another thing in the package. It's trees. What's this?
I don't know. I think it's maybe some gloss.
Oh, the Band-Aids.
Oh, I have Band-Aids too. It's trees Band-Aids. What's this? Here's a package. I have two of these now.
Well, one of them, I think one of them hangs on your backpack, and then you just have an extra one.
Yeah, I have an extra one. And this one has hang on my backpack. Oh.